BJP candidate from Uttar Pradesh's Meerut seat, Arun Govil, has said that the special thing about PM Modi is that he has fulfilled whatever he promised. He has further said that BJP is not only the only party, in fact, that talks about nationalism. He has even added that he gets more respect now, that he is in politics than he did when he used to play the character of Lord Ram. The Meerut constituency is, of course, set to go to polls in the second phase along with other constituencies of Uttar Pradesh. Around 60.25% voter turnout has been recorded where voting was held. Meanwhile, let's in fact take a listen to what Arun Govil said.
सारी चीज़ें हैं अपनी जगह पर, लेकिन इसमें कोई वो नहीं है कि जीत भारतीय जनता पार्टी की होगी इस सीट पर, डेफिनेटली होगी। मुझे इसमें कोई शक नहीं है बिल्कुल। लेकिन मैंने कब बताया आपको, होते हैं जाति समीकरण, ऐसा नहीं है कि नहीं होते हैं, लेकिन जो दूसरे समीकरण हैं, जो एक कैंडिडेचर होता है किसी चीज़ का, फिर दूसरे इस सब के पीछे जो है वो श्री नरेंद्र मोदी हैं। आज उनका जो ब्रांड वैल्यू है वो बहुत ज़्यादा है, बिकॉज विच ही हैज़ प्रूव्ड अगेन एंड अगेन। तो वो, और ये चुनाव बेसिकली उनके लिए ही विकसित भारत के लिए हो रहा है। अब जाति समीकरण होने के बाद भी अगर कोई विकसित भारत के बारे में न सोचे तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि जनता उसको उस तरह से देख पाएगी। जनता को भी पता होता है कि कौन देश के बारे में बात कर रहा है, कौन नहीं कर रहा है ना। तो वो एक फैक्टर है, और भारतीय जनता पार्टी का अपना ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड इतना अच्छा है, अकेली ऐसा दल है जो राष्ट्रवाद की बात करता है।
Well, of course, viewers, there you heard it. Of course, BJP's candidate from Meerut, Mr. Arun Govil, there speaking and in fact saying that BJP is all about nationalism. In fact, to give us more on this, my colleague Kanika joins us on the broadcast. Kanika, take our viewers through these statements that have been made. Okay, I'm being told Nikita is joining us at this point of time. Nikita, of course, we've heard the statements. What further details can you share with us? He's, of course, said that BJP is all about nationalism.
Well, Savri talked about Bharatiya Janata Party, then Bharatiya Janata Party have fielded Arun Govil from Meerut, candidate for the upcoming Lok Sabha election that is going to be held. And apart from this, Arun Govil has praised the Prime Minister Narendra Modi for fulfilling all his promises, stated that party is the only one in the country that talks about nationalism. Arun Govil also believes that Modi's government has protected women's dignity and also provided houses to crores of women, also building highways and providing medical insurance to the poor. Now, Bharatiya Janata candidate from Uttar Pradesh Meerut seat, Arun Govil, on Monday have told and praises that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has a beautiful brand value. What he says, what actually he fulfills what he states, and he is the one from the Bharatiya Janata Party who is talking about that Bharatiya Janata Party is the only party that is actually talking about nationalism. And if we talk about Bharatiya Janata Party, he is also stating that the image and record of this party is very good, and he also claims that his image is associated with Prabhu Sri Ram. But apart from this, he is saying that what all praises is he getting not from the serials that he used to shoot. Also, now when Bharatiya Janata Party has fielded him as a candidate from Meerut, then he is getting all the praises from that as well. He also saying that Prime Minister Narendra Modi also fulfills what all he promises to the audience and to all the people out here, and he also guarantees the whole country is accepting the fact that this time Bharatiya Janata Party is going to cross 400. He also stated in his statement, and Arun Govil added that he is getting more and more respect after coming into the politics than the respect he used to get when he played the character of Lord Rama. So campaigning, he's also talking about the campaigning that it is going very well, and lot of enthusiasm among the people. Now it is there towards the election, and he is getting more respect and honor now from the upcoming politics. And he's claiming that BJP will win this seat, and he doesn't have any doubt on that. The brand value of Prime Minister Modi is getting very high, and election is also going to help for the Viksit Bharat. He is claiming this. Over to you, Sabri.
For more such videos, Subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.